Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start recording immediately. Don't overthink file types. Set camera to 4K if available and choose 30 or 60 FPS for smooth, high-resolution frames. Once recording, stabilize with both hands or a gimbal to reduce motion blur. Make sure to lock exposure by long pressing the screen on your subject. This keeps brightness steady. Use the grid to keep horizons level and place subjects on 1/3 intersections. Record a few seconds of extra lead and tail for safe frame grabbing later. Once you stop recording, open the clip in Photos and scrub the timeline to find the exact frame you want. Move slowly, one frame at a time. Tap Edit, then the frame preview to capture that still. You can use crop to recompose and straighten. Make adjustments, exposure, contrast, highlights, because video frames may need subtle correction. If you need maximum quality, export the frame as hike or use a third-party app that supports lossless frame extraction for minimal compression artifacts. You finalize by saving edited frames as a new copy so the original video stays intact. Tag or move to an album for quick access. If the still looks soft, it's likely motion blur or compression. Try slight sharpening or an AI upres tool, and make sure future captures use higher FPS or stabilization. If colors are off, match white balance using manual sliders or apply a LUT to harmonize tones. Troubleshooting tip: if extraction fails, restart photos and retry. Sometimes cache refresh fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.